What up, YouTube? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sherry. Thank you so much for being here today. I appreciate it so much. I hope you're doing well and I hope everything is wonderful in your world. Every time we near the holidays, I always think, I should do Vlogmas. And then every year I do Vlogmas, and every year I was like, what in the world was I thinking that I could handle Vlogmas? And if you're not familiar, Vlogmas is what YouTubers do for December, and usually it involves posting something every single day. Now, I'm not going to endeavor to go that far, but for the last few years I have decided to buy some kind of beauty advent calendar and share a new item from it with you every day. So last year I did that. I got behind, I forgot sometimes, I got too busy, it was a mess. It was a mess. I spent the whole time apologizing. So this year I decided I wasn't going to endeavor to do Vlogmas every day, but I would do Vlogmas whenever I was able to do it. And I decided for this year to order this Target 12 Days of Beauty box. So this is what it looks like. It's a really pretty box. And inside it has the Advent. It says 12 Days of Beauty, Target Beauty. And it's got the little numbered days. Alright, so my plan is to pre-film these, pre-edit these before it's December. And today is November 16th. So I'm well ahead of the game. I should be able to film 12 videos if I do a couple every here and there, get them edited and do things ahead of the game. So this is past Sherri, hopefully showing you future Sherri, showing you the 12 Days of Beauty without a hitch in my giddy up. We shall see. Say a prayer for me, cross your fingers, whatever it is that you do, send me good vibes, and I'm gonna try. So I got this off of the Target website. I saw it, I had decided I wasn't doing Vlogmas. I saw it and I'm like, okay, I'll try again, but I'm going to do it a different way where it doesn't make me into a crazy person. I can click publish every other day for December if I get these pre-filmed. And that remains to be seen, doesn't it? Alright, so we are going to unbox the very first day from the Target Beauty 12 Days of Beauty. And see, last year they weren't even numbered. I got so confused. You guys know how I am with numbers. It was so sad. So if it's something that I can put on, I'll put it on. If it's something I can try, I will. If it's not, we'll just talk a little bit about it. And I will leave the information for this box down in my info box so that if you're interested in getting it, you can. Okay, I'm about to pull the whole thing off here. The element of surprise is just so fun, isn't it? Okay, I guess that's supposed to stay on there. I was trying to rip it off. Okay, what do we have here? Wow. And if I didn't tell you, which I don't remember how much I paid for this thing, I'll put it right here. Ta-da! Alright, what we have is AHC Essential Real Eye Cream for Face. Concentrated eye cream for the whole face. Concentrated eye cream for the whole face. Okay. Alright. It says concentrated eye cream that can be used on the whole face for a youthful appearance and resilient skin. Formulation specifically developed from Korean aesthetic skincare approach. Using our microsome technology and our proprietary vitamin and peptide complex. Says immediate nourishment, radiant facial complexion, rich texture. For the eyes, you put it on the tip of your ring finger and lightly spread it under the eyes. For the face, use the last step of your skincare. Okay, so that was a miracle that I even got that out, because it is so tiny and it's on this silver packaging, and I was like, doo 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 doo. So it is sealed right here, so I'm gonna have to have a fight with it, I think, to get it into the box. So let me see if I can go from the opposite direction here. We'll look at it. Wow, it's a nice size tube. It's 1.01 fluid ounce, 30 mils. Nice. I've not heard of this, and you know, Korean skincare has a great reputation in the beauty community for the most part. So, am I going to put it on over my makeup? No. But you know how it goes whenever I unbox something. If I use it and I end up liking it, I'll end up using it in a favorites video, or in empties if I use the whole thing up, right? Right. So thank you so much for joining me for day 1 of Vlogmas and day 1 of the 12 days of beauty from Target Beauty. I appreciate it so much. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, take care and God bless. Happy Vlogmas!